Today's tutorial is a very easy to follow Snow Queen look. I'll be adding the headpiece tutorial soon. Be sure to like and subscribe to see all the looks coming up each week. Starting with a fully concealed base, we're going to be putting in some brilliant blue contacts linked below. Powder to seal and begin layering a soft pink blush to the apples and sides of the cheeks. Add a pearl highlighter onto the tops of the cheeks up to the temples. Using a very light bronzer, gently contour the nose, keeping light and blended. Blend up into the brows. Use the same color to sculpt the cheeks to add color into the face. Sculpt the sides of the chin. Blend onto the forehead. Blend a white pearl shimmer onto the inner corners and along the entire eyelid. Carry below. Highlight the brow bone. Add a mauve eyeshadow into the crease and upper lid, blending to the nose bridge. Blend below the white of the lower lid. Blend into a point at the inner corners. Add blush into the mauve shadow above and below to warm. Take a stippling sponge and tap white body paint onto the sides of the face. Tap onto the forehead. Tap over in layers to soften. Brush into the hair. Fill in the brows using a taupe eyeshadow. Use a liner pen to create a point at the inner corner. Line the entire lid and drag out into a thick cat's eye and connect the two. Create a very fine line below on the outer half. Dry brush to soften. Add white shimmer to the nose tip and bridge in the highlighted portions of the face. Apply a pearl pink lip gloss all over and use the blush to line and blend. Add a taupe liner to cool the pink. Layer mascara onto your upper lashes. Use a mini lash on the outer half of each eye. Use white body paint to create feathery strokes on the neck and the chest. Bring all the way out to your shoulders. Bring the white speckles further out onto the cheeks and blend down the sides of the neck. Add to the outsides of your arms. Apply lash glue in dots and silver crystals spaced out on the cheeks where you added the snow. Add a lace necklace and your wig. Add your headpieces and you are done. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I know you always have such a massive selection to choose from here on YouTube, and I'm so very grateful each and every time you choose to watch one of my videos. I'll see you next week.